Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Slow Beauty, Skincare and Self-Care for Women 40+. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. Today, we're diving into a wonderful theme, how reflection helps us notice beauty. We'll explore ways to slow down and take notice of the meaningful moments in our lives. Let's get started. Now, here's our quote to write down segment. Today's quote is by the philosopher and educational reformer John Dewey. He famously said, "We do not learn from experience, we learn from reflecting on experience." This quote really resonates when we think about the importance of taking moments throughout our day to reflect. Often our most valuable lessons come from looking back and considering what we've been through. It's in these moments of reflection that wisdom grows. So, take a moment, jot down this quote, and think about how you can incorporate more reflection into your daily life. What have your experiences been teaching you? A Commonplace book is essentially a personal collection of quotes, scriptures, prayers, or other meaningful moments. It's kind of like your very own library filled with soul-level reminders. The best part? It doesn't need to be perfectly organized or polished. Think of it as a scrapbook for your thoughts, where you save things that resonate with you on a deep level. It's a space where you can return to whenever you need a bit of inspiration, comfort, or simply a moment to reflect on what really matters to you. So, don't worry about making it look pretty. Just focus on filling it with things that fill your heart. Starting your Commonplace book is a simple yet profound practice. Begin by choosing a notebook or journal that feels right for you. There's no need for it to be fancy, just something that you feel comfortable writing in. The idea is to jot down anything that speaks to you, whether it's a comforting quote, a challenging idea, or an inspiring passage. Over time, these entries serve as a tapestry of your thoughts and feelings. Maintaining a Commonplace book is equally straightforward. Whenever you come across words that resonate with you, take a moment to write them down. The goal is not to create something perfect, but to protect what matters from being forgotten. You might find that revisiting these notes offers you clarity, comfort, and guidance when you need it most. Your Commonplace book becomes a living document, reflecting your evolving perspectives and providing wisdom throughout your journey. So, let go of the need for perfection and allow your Commonplace book to be a genuine portrayal of your inner world. Over time, you'll discover it's a treasure trove of insights and inspirations, always there to support and nurture you. This week, God is teaching me. I encourage you to take a moment and start this sentence in your Commonplace book, even if you don't know how to finish it yet. Sometimes meaning reveals itself as we return to these reflections over time. If you enjoyed our Commonplace Minute and want more, you can join our newsletter or check out the journals linked in the show notes. As we wrap up today's episode, let's quickly recap. We've talked about the pivotal role of reflection in recognizing beauty and how keeping a Commonplace book can help us capture and cherish those essential moments. Remember to check the show notes for any links we mentioned today. Thank you so much for tuning in to Slow Beauty, Skincare and Self-Care for Women 40+. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and I'm looking forward to sharing more insights with you next time. Until then, take care and keep embracing the beauty of your journey.